A research team was awarded a bonus for an exciting breakthrough. And now the team has to decide how they would distribute this bonus. Since they have very senior researchers as well as juniors, they cannot simply divide it equitably. So here is an example of the evaluation, and we have taken just one team member's expertise evaluation of the rest of the team. There are certain restrictions that are mandatory when we conduct a peer evaluation. For example, the entire team must use the same criteria for the entire evaluation with the same weights. Likewise, the names of the team members must be represented exactly the way shown here. In other words, whatever you decide, you must follow the same syntax. Here we have Henry Costa and Anne J. Fry with underscores. Note also that the evaluator name must be identically presented. These are the only restrictions that are applicable when we deal with peer evaluation. That is, we must use the same criteria, the same weights, and the names must be represented exactly. The evaluation themselves will be different. Okay? Let's take a look at an evaluation by Henry Costa, for example. You can use any file name as long as we can recognize it. But however, when we introduce Henry Costa, you can see the way the name is written here as well as here. So once we have accommodated these constraints, the process itself is very simple. Each candidate conducts his or her own evaluation, and finally a team member consolidates the peer evaluation. So let's take a look at this. We simply refresh Expertus and select peer evaluation mode and call it research bonus and say continue. And as before, in the case of the consolidator, we simply add the projects. You can see the names of the team is already shown here. You can add it in any order. We can add Klaus here and then go back and add Henry. And finally we can add Raj. When we complete the process, we now have the actual consolidation. For more information on the theory behind the consolidation process, you need to refer to my book or the online course or some papers we have on the website. This is the end of this simple process.